Have you heard of navel oiling? This practice, dating back centuries, has its roots in ancient traditions and cultures. This ancient practice, known as Nabi Chikitsa in Ayurveda, is regaining popularity. People are rediscovering its benefits and incorporating it into their daily routines. Ayurveda is a traditional Indian system of medicine. It includes various techniques and treatments that aim to balance the body and mind. It emphasizes holistic wellness and considers the navel a vital energy point in the body. The navel is considered the center of vital energy and balance. Navel oiling involves applying oil to the navel area. This process is simple but profoundly beneficial. This practice is believed to offer several health benefits. From improving digestion to boosting immunity, the benefits are numerous. It's a simple and natural way to potentially improve your well-being. Regular application may help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Could this ancient secret hold the key to better health? Many believe so and use it as part of their daily routine. Let's explore the potential benefits and what modern science says about this interesting practice. Research suggests there may be real benefits. In the next sections, we'll delve into the world of navel oiling and provide you with all the information you need to know. Stay with us to learn more about this ancient yet modern practice. Proponents of navel oiling claim it offers numerous benefits. Some say it improves digestion and reduces bloating. Others claim it can relieve menstrual cramps and irregularities. Can a few drops of oil have so much power? Navel oiling is also believed to promote better sleep and improve skin health. While these claims may sound incredible, it's important to approach them with a balanced perspective. While anecdotal evidence praises navel oiling, many people consider it a traditional practice passed down through generations. Scientific research on its effectiveness is limited. Scientists continue to examine the potential benefits and risks. Some experts are skeptical about the supposed internal health benefits. Many doctors are asking for more data before making recommendations. They argue that there isn't enough evidence to support these claims. Existing studies are often small and unconvincing. Furthermore, they point out that the navel's connection to the digestive or detoxification systems is not direct. Physiological processes are more complex. While more research is needed, some people find navel oiling a relaxing and enjoyable practice that contributes to their overall well-being. The feeling of relaxation and self-care can have positive effects on mental health. Section 4. A Guide to Navel Oiling. If you're curious to try navel oiling, here's a simple guide. First, choose an oil. Popular choices include castor oil, ghee, or oils with adaptogens. Next, gently massage 20 seconds. Then put 1 to 3 drops of oil in your navel. You can use a cotton swab or tissue to prevent the oil from spreading. Section 5. Choosing your oil and taking precautions. When choosing an oil, opt for organic, cold-pressed varieties. These oils retain more of their natural nutrients and are less likely to contain harmful chemicals. Castor oil is known for its potential anti-inflammatory properties and may help relieve pain and swelling. While ghee is a clarified butter used in Ayurvedic practices, it is known for its nourishing properties and ability to moisturize the skin. Before you start navel oiling, it's important to do an allergy test. This will help you avoid any adverse reactions. Apply a small amount of oil to a small area of skin to check for any allergic reactions. Wait at least 24 hours to see if there is any reaction. If you have any underlying health conditions or allergies, consult your doctor before trying navel oiling. A specialist's opinion can help you avoid potential risks and ensure your safety.